अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हेलो।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। हेलो।
कैसे हैं आप?
आई एम गुड। आप कैसी हैं?
मैं ठीक हूँ। क्या हो रहा था?
क्या हो रहा था मतलब एज इन what
What
was
were
I
you
doing
doing? What were
before?
you up to?
Oh, what was I up to? There's so much, yeah. I don't know if you're aware. I work on my own personal projects as well, apart from what the work I do as an actor.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, I'm a writer, and hopefully in the near future I might direct something soon. So I'm working on these two projects of mine, just in that वो zone में हूँ अभी फिलहाल तो.
Wow,
Because as you know,
multi-talented,
हाँ,
huh?
I don't know about how much talent there is, but definitely a need, एक उम्मीद है कि मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ, and I'm just going with that उम्मीद. आप कैसी हैं?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। So अदनान, वहाँ पे तो मतलब काफी अरसे से everybody was in quarantine and things like that, and now there's a new normal thing going on. This is the new life, and you have to deal with it, and you have to, इसी तरह चलना पड़ेगा अब. So how are you dealing with it? How difficult it is?
I have a very controversial belief on this entire thing, and I don't know if I should say it, but screw it, I'm going to say it. I don't care. Um,
You shouldn't be care of anything.
Yeah, so मेरा ये belief है कि the government has done a very good thing. All the governments have shut down and they did a very good thing. But I felt maybe I don't know. My personal belief is that we could have handled it a little better because in my family, two people got sick. Someone who was a senior citizen and someone who was as young as me. And these are
Okay.
very close people to me, and they were dealing with it. And one of them got really sick. But Alhamdulillah, I feel if you remove the fear and paranoia that comes along with this virus, आप अगर मीडिया को न्यूज थोड़े दिन बंद कर दोगे आप ना, तो this would have been a regular cold. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
So I don't know, यार. I want to say I'm a little confused about the whole situation. कि मीडिया ने कुछ ज्यादा ही डरा दिया यार. Like it's the disease of death. You know, we were all, and it's great. Everything is good. Uh,
बट
but I
डोंट यू
just
थिंक
felt,
अगर ये डर ना होता तो लोग और ज्यादा केयरलेस हो जाते?
but yeah, yeah, you're right, 100%. But मैंने क्या देखा है कि मैं आपको सच बोलूं, I've seen a very large group of people who were careless and who were fine, who came out of it just fine. You know, it is a virus. It is a novel virus in the sense that your body's never dealt with it. But I have a very strict belief in our own human body and the human mind. Like आपको पता है जब मुझे लगा था कि मुझे कोरोना हो गया था. I had the symptoms. I had gone out and
रियली?
shot one day.
आर यू ओके
Yeah,
नाउ?
much no, nothing happened. Nothing absolutely happened. But
यहाँ से तो पास नहीं हो जाएगा.
don't worry. I had a few people who refused to shoot with me because I was dealing with it. But I feel it's a virus that um, I feel if you keep yourself healthy, yeah, and you keep your mind all right, like if you really, I feel God, Allah, whoever you believe in, whatever your faith is. If you're an atheist and you believe the universe, fine. Whatever floats your boat. I believe that we've gotten a very powerful human body, and I have a very strong concept on the mind and what it can do. So what I did was, when I thought I got sick, I went out for a run. मुझे बुखार चढ़ा हुआ था and मैं टेस्ट रिजल्ट्स का वेट कर रहा था and I went out for a run. I said नहीं, अगर है भी ना तो I can't let this body feel that it's. I think we can fight it, and that's what I did. Like
या
that's how I try to tackle it. Like eat healthy,
एग्जैक्टली,
be
जब
healthy.
आप खुद को ये कहते हो कि ओ नहीं मैं बीमार हो चुका हूँ, अब तो पता नहीं क्या हो गया है, एवरीथिंग बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट.
It goes downhill. Exactly,
या
exactly. Yeah. So
इट्स
मेरा
हाउ
वही
यू.
belief है.
या एग्जैक्टली. सो अदनान, आप तो यू वर born in UAE and then you started
No,
acting
no,
and
no, no.
everything.
I'm sorry. That's something on Wikipedia that's been messed up. I wasn't born in the UAE, but I was raised there. Yeah.
या
Large
या
chunk of my life I've spent there. Yeah.
सो वहां से आप क्या स्पेशली सिर्फ एक्टिंग के लिए इंडिया आए थे, या यू रियली वांटेड टू शिफ्ट टू इंडिया?
No, I as an actor, just as an actor. I had
एज एन एक्ट.
actually, so yeah, I had two options. जब मुझे ये भूत, देखिए दुबई में तो ज्यादातर लोग कभी ये अपने माँ बाप से नहीं कहेंगे, अपने वालिदैन से कभी नहीं कहेंगे कि मुझे एक्टर बनना है. मैंने जब जाके कहा तो लोग थोड़ा शॉक थे कि भाई ये इसको कुछ हो गया है. ये बिकॉज दुबई में ये दिस इज नॉट द thing there. You know, in Dubai it's always finance and that I want to do a business. Mom, मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है, lawyer, doctor, stuff like that. You know, but मेरे लिए what happened was when I finally said this, I think half the time they thought I was joking. Like my dad's like, yeah, yeah, sure, okay, why not? And my mom's like, what? So
रियली? लाइक
yeah,
रियली?
yeah, it was very weird. It was very weird. My dad's very cool like that. My mom's a little more orthodox. She's a sweetheart, but she's a little more traditional in her thinking. And she's like, what? Shut up. And my dad said one thing. Okay, he's like, okay, look, we can't help you financially because of our current situation, but what we can do is we'll support you wherever you go. I said, okay, so that basically means I have to
Okay, now
provide for myself.
that's a good thing, you know.
Yes,
Supportive in
yes.
any way is a good thing.
Yes, without a doubt. Well said, yeah. तो मेरा तब ये बात हुई थी कि जितना पैसे मैंने बचाए at the end of my tenure in Dubai, it was either I go to London for 1 year. Now I'll tell you why London, because my English is much better than my Hindi. उर्दू तो बहुत दूर
Wow.
की बात. हाँ, मेरी अम्मी उर्दू टीचर हुआ करती थी, पर मेरी उर्दू तो बेगैरत लोग, यानी बहुत ही वाहियात है. पर yeah, it's really bad. It's terrible. And Hindi
Yeah,
almost on the same
ये
level.
बगैरत वाहियात से जो your
मैं बोल रहा हूँ, I'm
vocabulary
very
है,
bad. It's really, really bad.
मुझे आइडिया हो गया how bad it is.
I can't speak fluently in either of the languages, so I always resort back to English because English is my what I grew up in and I'm comfortable in. So I thought London जाता हूँ, London में try करता हूँ. Might not become a hero there, but might I definitely have a possibility I can be an actor, learn and so forth. But जितने पैसे मैंने बचाए थे ना, वो शायद 6 महीने चलते लंदन में, और जितने पैसे मैंने बचाए थे वो इंडिया में 3 साल चल सकते थे अगर मैं थोड़ा
Okay.
बजट करके अपनी जिंदगी जीता तो obviously I didn't want to play poker with my life. I didn't want to gamble completely. I thought
Exactly.
3 years gives me a little more time than London, so I came here to India.
तो क्या difference लगा like in atmosphere wise, you know, UAE and India? How difficult was it to adjust here, you know?
I'm still adjusting.
Really?
Yeah, it's been 6 years, and because I've grown up in a certain kind of environment where you have to understand Dubai is very organized.
Yeah, it is.
There is
Very clean
almost very extremely clean.
and very hot. I must say that.
But the hot is, you know what kind of hot it is? It's the kind of hot which doesn't make you sweat. You burn. Like, okay, you get a sunburn, but you don't sweat. So it's not, it's something I grew up with and it was fine because I've grown up there, right? When I was a kid, something you tackle when you're a kid, you don't have a problem with it later on. But when I came here, yes, I will not lie, it still is something that I can't, like, when I look at something happening, I'm like, why? Why is that happening? Like, why are people doing this? I can't understand why people are the way they are. But someone told me this is my problem because I come from a different country, and I've accepted that. Like, yes, like मेरे को
So
driving
now
में
you
बहुत
live
problem
alone
होती थी.
or with family?
No, so lockdown की वजह से my mom is not with me. My mom and my aunt, my two sweethearts of my life, my beautiful ladies are not with me. They're actually just around the corner. But क्या था कोरोना में I was shooting and was going out a lot. So doctor said कि उन लोग को थोड़ा दूर रखो. So luckily uncle's house was empty and I just kept them around there in the corner.
So जब पहले तो पेरेंट्स सपोर्टिव तो एकदम शॉक में चले गए, तो जब अदनान ने प्रूव करके दिखाया कि you know he has now become Adnan Khan, everybody knows he's quite popular in girls and everywhere. So अब उनका क्या रिएक्शन होता है, you know, कि अच्छा भाई बंदे ने कर दिखाया. हाँ.
I think so. In the start, I'll not lie, my mom was never supportive of my decision. She supported me by the fact that she stayed with me. She never left me. She could have gone back to Dubai and stayed with my elder brother and lived a very comfortable life. I've struggled a decent amount in the 6 years that I've been here. Before I got this show, I was broke, financially completely broke. I was living on my brother and my mother, you know, and yeah, it was really tough. So mom didn't leave. That was her support. Mom never told me once in those 6 years you're doing the right thing. She never told me. But the fact that she stayed with me, a choice that she made, she could have gone back to Dubai. So that was her support. But apart from that, none of them ever said that, Adnan, good job. My brother, of course, he's like a friend. He's like my best friend. But mom is very orthodox again. So she said, what are you doing here? You know, क्या कर रहा है तू? And she didn't understand actor क्या होता है? Like, what is passion and what is acting? Hero बनना है तो क्या? I'm like, I don't want to be a hero, mom. I want to be an actor. There's a difference. I look at it differently. And so she didn't support me for the first 6 years. Then when I got the show, and I'm used to my mom not being very like lovey-dovey and beta acha karega tu, beta don't worry. No, she's not like that. So I got used to that. Then finally a show mila, and then 6 months later, mom used to go to different majlises. लोगों के घरों औरतों के घरों पे जाके मजलिस करती थी. And when she'd come back, she'd be very weird. I'm like, what's up? She's like, no, they were calling me Kabir ki ma.
How sweet.
Yeah, yeah. And what I realize is she's getting proud, but she doesn't know how to say it. She doesn't know how to tell me. So it was a very, very awkward conversation where it's the weirdest conversation on the planet where I'm sitting down. So I live in a very small flat, right? And I love my flat. Me and mom used to spend so much time together and shit. So we're having dinner. Okay, this is after I've come back from set, and this conversation, yeah, मैं मजलिस में गई थी. I said, oh, lovely, lovely. She's like, हाँ उधर मुझे ना कबीर की माँ बुला रहे थे. I said, mom, I didn't tell her even. I'm like, there's something going on here. And then we sit down, I'm eating, and she's like, हाँ तू acting में अच्छा करता है. Now
And you're
I'm
like,
so bad.
okay, that's
I'm
it.
so bad. No, but I'm so bad. I didn't know how to react to that moment. I downplayed it. उन्होंने ये कहा है, मैंने बोला हाँ मम्मा वो गवार का है, and I changed the topic. अंदर मर रहा हूँ, लड्डू फूट रहे, like what did my mom say? Like she acknowledged my acting. Like I was flipping out, but yeah, that was a weird moment. But when it happened, it really felt good. It felt wonderful that my mom was proud of what I'm doing. You know?
Oh, that's so
And yeah.
nice. By the way, like अभी जैसे आप बता रहे थे कि कबीर आप मामा को बहुत अच्छा लगा ये वो, तो किस तरह के कैरेक्टर्स आपको प्ले करना पसंद है? यू हैव प्लेड, मैंने आपकी वो बबल देख रही थी मैं भी, उसके बाद कबीर वाला तो मैंने पूरा शो खुद ही देखा है यहाँ पे. एवरीबॉडी इज
Oh,
बिग
thank you.
फैन ऑफ इश्क सुभान अल्लाह. So
Very lucky.
I
Yeah.
really want to know कि like lover boy, then intense character, what kind of role do you like? More.
Negative. I want to play
Like
villainous roles. I love
लोगों को
villainous roles.
it's such a cute face, such innocent face.
Exactly. Exactly. That's the whole point. Like I like characters that are very far away from me. I'll tell you the truth. I want to play a drug addict. I want to play, hopefully once in my life, a gay character. I want to play a villager because I'm scared of the lingo,
Okay, आप
the
बता
linguistic
रहे हो, मैं
villain.
अपने माइंड में इमेजिन कर रही हूँ कि how will you look.
I would love it. I would love it. Like all these different characters that are so far away from me, I would love to experience their lives for just a second. Like a villager, I'm very scared of that character. I'll be honest with you. अगर आप मेरे को बोले कि थिएटर में या कोई शॉर्ट मूवी में maybe they want you to do a villager's character, कोई राजस्थान से या गुजरात से या यूपी से, I will do it, but I will be shit scared. Like because it's so far away and my language is so tough. Like I'm very comfortable in English. So anything that's far away from me, anything that scares the crap out of me, I
अच्छा,
would
कोई
love to
ऐसा
try.
कैरेक्टर जो देखा हो फिल्म्स में या किसी ड्रामे में जो आपको कहो कि यार काश ये मैं कर लेता, काश ये मैं करता. आई वुड टेल पीपल कि कैसे प्ले करते हैं इस कैरेक्टर को, समथिंग लाइक दैट.
Rockstar का रणबीर कपूर. I think I could do it well.
रियली?
Yeah, I think I could do it well.
अच्छा, थोड़ी सी आपकी लुक्स भी थोड़ी सी वो वाली है, सो आई कैन फील दैट कि थोड़ा सा कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं हम. अच्छा, बिटवीन
I don't know.
आपकी
I
बात
feel I
बहुत
could
बनी
feel
थी,
it.
पता नहीं आपको किसी ने बताया नहीं बताया, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यू रिजेंबल विराट कोहली अ लॉट. किसी ने कभी बताया आपको ये?
बताया तो नहीं पर I don't like. I'm sorry, no, I'm not telling you anything. I just feel weird when people compare me to somebody. But the fact that you brought this up is so in the show when it started, they actually told me the Virat Kohli look, and I said, "What is the Virat Kohli look? I have Adnan Khan's look. What is Virat Kohli's look? I can look a certain way if you cut my hair and if you style my beard in a certain way, I can look like that. But I've also been told a lot. And अच्छा मैं आपको एक बात I'll tell you a thing. मैं एक बात बताऊंगा. Who was a Pakistani singer
आतिफ
who
असलम.
did that Osama wali movie?
अली जफर.
Ali Zafar, right?
Yeah.
So I have a friend from Bangalore. She used to swear to me that I look like Ali Zafar, clean shave, yeah. And I was like, what? I don't see the resemblance. एक दिन किसी और मेरी दुबई वाली दोस्त ने मुझे अली जफर का एक फोटो भेजा जहाँ पर वो गाड़ी से बाहर निकल रहा है. He's getting out of an Audi or something, right? And I swear to God, when my friend sent me the photo, I looked. I said, when did I get into an Audi? I couldn't recognize it wasn't me because side ka look at Ali Zafar is wearing like a back monkey cap or something, and he's wearing a jacket, and I'm just looking. I was like, मैं कब ऑडी में बैठा मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा यार ये जैकेट तो मैंने पहना हुआ है. And imagine I got fooled. So Ali Zafar, from certain angles, I've been told Virat Kohli was my look in the show, Virat Kohli look. But yeah.
So वही ना, मैं जब भी आपको मतलब देखी थी ऑन स्क्रीन, आई वाज लाइक यार इनकी कितनी रिजेंबलेंस है, पता नहीं किसी ने इनको बताया है नहीं बताया नहीं, यू लॉट लाइक, या फिर आपकी लुक वो उस तरह की थी, ऊपर से आपका फेस कट भी वैसा है. सो
Really?
बहुत ज्यादा. या एग्जैक्टली.
I'm
telling you
someone
now.
who doesn't. I don't. Me personally, I don't look in the mirror a lot. I rarely ever look in the mirror, so I can't say I look like this guy right now. I don't. मैं इतना बेगैरत इंसान हूँ. मेरी फैशन स्टाइलिंग आज भी मेरे बड़े भाई करते हैं. or if I'm dating someone at that time, that responsibility falls onto them. That the girl has to guide me because I am terrible. I am pathetic. If it was up to me, I would be badly dressed throughout the year because I just don't care. I
So are you
literally don't care.
convincing that आप confess कर रहे हो कि you're single?
अभी आपने वो बात निकाली, आप ये बात नहीं देख रही हैं कि मैंने स्टाइलिंग की बात की.
You see, I'm
Yeah,
a girl, so मुझे
yeah.
पता है कि what should कि इसमें से question कौन सा निकालना है. So yeah,
No comments on that right now because I feel
okay.
my I don't know, my social life is. I feel people should like me for my work, not for me. I am वो मेरे को पता है लोग sooner or later they start liking the person, but मेरा मानना है कि जो काम मैं करूं उसके लिए आप मुझे पसंद
But
करो.
पता है मेरा एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव है इस चीज को लेके. मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब एक्टर्स ये बात करते हैं ना, सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब तक एक्टर को कोई पर्सनली नहीं जानता, हाउ कैन ही लव द पर्सन ही इज. वो तो वही चीज देखते हैं जो कैरेक्टर्स वो प्ले करते हैं. सो दे फेल इन लव विद द कैरेक्टर्स और द वे दे हाउ कैन दे लाइक मुझे इस बात कभी बहुत से लोगों ने मुझे बात की एंड आई एम ऑलवेज लाइक आई रियली वांट टू आस्क यू दिस that if somebody
Hmm.
doesn't know you personally, how would they fall in love with the person who is actually the person behind the camera?
It's okay. I'm so glad you asked. This is a very weird thing. For example, I'll give you one of my biggest examples. I never find Jennifer Lawrence attractive. You know Jennifer Lawrence, right? I don't
Yeah.
find her attractive. Not my type. One day I saw a movie, Silver Linings Playbook. I just saw the movie. When I finished the movie, I got up and I said, I'm in love with this girl right now. I am completely in love with her because she's shown me. So look, I look at it from what perspective? I'll tell you. Um, Work, when it's pure and it's true, shows the world who you are better than you doing all of this will show the world. Right now, I could be putting up a front in front of you. I could be talking in a different way. Oh, I know girls like that, and my hair is like that, and I'm wearing these clothes. Maybe this is not me. But
Exactly.
when you perform, it can be anything. When you're playing a sport, when you're reading something you've written, कुछ भी आप ऐसा करो which you love, right? You know what happens? There are no filters. It's the purest form of truth. And acting, when you see up, okay, I'm an actor, I might know more, but the truth is, you and me both sit down and we see a person perform, right? अगर वो
Yeah.
truthfully perform कर रहा है ना, वो आपके दिल को भी छू लेगा. जितना मेरे दिल को छू कर रहा है ना, he'll touch your soul, and that truth
Exactly.
is what you fall for. That's what I fall for. Like I would rather have it that you fall in love with me because of my moments of truth. Um, and that's one of the reasons I try to be very honest in interviews. You ask me, I practically tell, yeah, what I feel. I try to be honest because I don't want to put up a front and lie to you or the world. Why should I lie about who I am?
And
I
that's
am
a
who I
good
am.
thing. Why should you hide like जो आपके real opinions हैं या जो भी आप you have the total right कि हर इंसान के पास एक आइडिया अपना point आगे put करने का. You should be always true to whatever he
But
thinks.
actors are facing very bad this thing. You know social media. You brought us
Yeah.
you brought this up, but we should be honest. But have you seen how people are, how the world has become when someone is honest with their opinions? We get battered left, right, center. You post anything controversial,
Yeah, we
the
get
amount of hate mail
judged.
that you get, and it's crazy. How can you hate someone so much? So I find that art is the purest form of truth where you don't get judged. Critics तो होंगे थोड़े बहुत, but it's not like अभी मैंने social media पे अपने ख्याल लिख दिए. 90% chance I'm going to get like 50-50. Like I'm going to get hate mail, I'm going to get support mail. But with art, like how I felt, tell me which actor have you ever fallen in love with after a movie, just after a movie? You said, wow, like who was your crush? Fawad? Shah Rukh?
Okay. Shah Rukh was my crush, and then in India, in Indian television, it was Karan Singh Grover.
Oh.
Since Dil Mil Gaye, you see, that was my teenage love.
I understand. See, but that's maybe because he showed you moments of truth and it worked for you. You said, ye
Yeah.
banda haan. Yeah. So that's how I am.
I still blush when I say their names.
Okay, I can see that. And he's a very cool person. He's a very, very cool person. Wait, we're talking about Bipasha's husband, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, he's very cool. He doesn't know me personally. He used to work out in my gym. Like I used to work out in the same
Okay.
gym as him. And he's very cool. So you have your crush is on the right mark, I guess. Yeah.
ये तो अच्छी बात हो गई है. अच्छा अदनान, आपने 2 साल इश्क सुभान अल्लाह किया which is a huge hit. तो अब प्रेशर है कि अब आगे बड़ा सोच समझ के स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के और बड़ा there's a pressure कि अच्छा अब नेक्स्ट जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो तो अच्छा करना ही करना है, वरना अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि एक इंसान मतलब एक्टर्स में स्पेशली होता है कि एक बिग हिट देने के बाद बहुत मैटर करता है कि उन्होंने अगला प्रोजेक्ट उनका चला या नहीं चला. So is there any pressure? Yeah, what kind of a work
No,
you are like looking for?
I wouldn't say there's pressure. I would say there's an obligation to be honest to myself because I've been offered a few shows and I turned them down because मेरा दिल कुछ और कह रहा है. मेरा दिल कह रहा है कि अभी जो स्क्रिप्ट मैं लिख रहा हूँ उसको खत्म करूँ और जो शॉर्ट मूवी जो म्यूजिक वीडियो मुझे बनाना है वो मैं शूट करूँ. These both are personal projects. Nobody's paid me for it. Nobody's telling me that they'll shoot it. These are just things I want to do, and I feel it's my obligation to be honest to myself because I am 32 years old and I don't have all the time in the world to just push my personal projects aside, you know. So pressure सिर्फ इतना है कि अदनान अपने आप से सच्चा रहे. I just have to be honest to myself. I shouldn't fall into the world. ये जो आपने कहा प्रेशर, ये दुनिया की चीज है. ये मेरे लिए इतने मायने नहीं रखती ऑनेस्टली कि मैं हिट शो दूं ना. मेरा बस ये कि जो गिफ्ट जो तोहफा अल्लाह ने मुझे दिया है, आई हैव अ नैक. एवरीवन हैज अ गिफ्ट. यू, मी, एवरीबडी ऑन दिस प्लैनेट हैज अ गिफ्ट. एंड जो तोहफा अल्लाह ने मुझे दिया मैं चाहता हूँ कि उसका सही इस्तेमाल करूँ, उसे वेस्ट ना करूँ. एंड
Okay.
आपको पता है जैसे आपने कहा ना बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रेशर्स आते हैं घर से. अरे यार खत्म, अभी पेचेक्स आने
आपकी
खत्म हो
वीडियो
जाएंगे.
sorry to आपकी वीडियो स्टक हो रही है. Is that your network
हेलो
problem or
हेलो
my
हेलो.
network problem? आपकी वीडियो स्टक हो रही है बार बार.
मेरा वाईफाई, mine is so perfect. I can see you properly and I'm on Wi-Fi, so it shouldn't be a problem. Do you want to restart it
Oh,
because mine is fine completely?
no. Let me just... Hello?
Hello? Yeah, now you're back.
Yeah, I was using मैंने 4G यूज कर रही थी मैं, so मैंने वाईफाई पे कर दिया. So let's see if it
Yeah,
works.
mine is on Wi-Fi as well. Yeah.
So आपने
So
like
yeah,
अभी
no
दो...
pressure.
Okay. So अभी सुभान अल्लाह, what will you miss the most about the show,
Too much.
Everything.
Too many things. It's weird that I'm so emotional about the show. Uh, I guess I learned from some people around me. Um, I don't know, yeah. I don't know. I just get emotional, weird about it because I met some of the most beautiful people I've ever met in my life. And I can literally say I've made some of the best memories in my life, you know. And it was beautiful. And the show, Wajiha, I was, in terms of, in the eyes of the world, I was nothing, absolutely nothing when the show started. And the
Yeah.
show gave me so much this recognition. My mom being proud, these small moments, you know what I mean? Where, yeah, it gave me too much. And the people, yeah, I met some beautiful people in my life. Such beautiful souls I've met, like, yeah, just really good people. Really, really. And some nice fans. Some fans of very, very cool people as well. Uh, बहुत सारी चीजें यार. Like, it's a gift. It was a gift of Allah का तोहफा था मेरे लिए वापस से. It was a blessing for me.
And we loved it. We really loved it. Trust
Thank you
me.
so much. Didn't
अच्छा
know
अदनान, वो
any of
बार
this
बार
would
फिर
happen.
freeze हो रही है. Let me just drop it and take you back. Can we do that?
Okay. Yeah, let's do
वो
that.
बार बार freeze हो रही है. So
Let's do that.
yeah, just gonna Adnan just say hi and I'll take you on live again because बार बार वीडियो freeze हो रही थी and मेरा focus बार बार उस पे जा रहा था. So it's just, so I'm just waiting for his hi, by the way. Hello?
Hi, hi, hi.
Hi.
Is it better?
So अभी Yeah, it is better. So अभी हमने बहुत सारी बातें कर ली. Let's go towards our fun segments.
Okay.
And the first one is you have to tell the story behind the picture. Cool?
What picture? Okay, let's do
Here you go. This is the first picture. What's happening?
it. Stupid. Stupid. Nice one. So my friend took me to my crazy friend Faizan, who's like a super rich investment banker from Saudi Arabia. Like he saw I
Okay.
was kind of a little low. This is before the show. I was not working then, so I was a little low. So he took all
Okay.
of us, me and a couple of guys and his wife, to Bali and to Hong Kong and another place. I can't remember. So three places. And this was in Hong Kong. This is on top of the hill. There's a tram that goes all the way on top of the mountain hill Joby, and it has a beautiful view of Hong Kong. And yeah, there was this Wolverine का Madame Tussauds wax statue. तो मैंने बोला यार Wolverine में थोड़ा लड़ लेता हूँ उसके साथ. देखा क्या करे तू क्या बोला stupid man shit.
Oh my God. Okay, let's go to the second picture.
Oh my god.
I like the face you're
Guy.
making. वो जो यादें मूवी में नहीं था,
Guy.
वो Hrithik Roshan used to make faces in front of that billboard. It seems like that
I
kind of
don't
a face.
remember, but this guy you put up is one of the nicest, coolest, and most positive ADs that we have. इसका नाम है Bindesh, Bindesh Chauhan. Girls, if you all are watching, please, he's very hot. Go say hi to him. He loves that shit. ये केक का दीवाना है. ये खाने
Okay.
का इतना दीवाना था ना. Look at the smile on his face because he's got that cake in it. Look at that smile. And I'm like, yeah, just we used to have fun with this guy. Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay.
ये बिंदेश फिर से केक खा रहा है. ये मेरा और ईशा के झगड़े. ये हम लोग के झगड़े. उंगली नहीं दिखाने का. I think that's what it is. I think that's what it is. So we used to have
But
these
this is such a
play
cute
fights.
picture.
So you know, she ऐसा नहीं बोलने का. And I'm like, उंगली नहीं दिखाने का. And we used to fight, and then I'd poke her in the
कितनी
head.
बार लड़ाई हुई है सेट पे अदनान?
Oh my God, we joke around. We'll randomly start arguing and fighting and pushing each other. We've had wrestling matches, you know that? We've had wrestling matches where she's
Oh
really
my
strong.
God.
We used to have thumb fights. Yeah, we're crazy together. Yeah.
अच्छा होता है ना कि अगर इतना फन को स्टार हो बस काम करने में भी तो मजा आता होगा.
100%. And she's an excellent actor. She's a gem. अरे अरे इसका मैं तेरे को कहानी बोलता हूँ यार. ये ना मेरी हालत खराब हो गई थी. So what happened with this was I was shooting. So again, keep in mind I've not worked for a while. 3-4 महीने हो गए unemployed. A director calls me
Okay.
up. Sir calls me up and he's like, Adnan, एक शूट है 5 दिन का काम है दिल्ली में. करेगा क्या? I said yeah. बेरोजगार बैठा मैं. I ran to Delhi and all that. So we were shooting the village. On the last day, because we didn't have a place to sit, they told me, and mind you, this is like in the complete village side, यानी एकदम अंदर. सारी खेतें हैं, there's no cities and all that. You know, the गांव है, basically they're villages, and you know, तो एक village में vanity तो नहीं आ सकती थी. So मेरे को डायरेक्टर ने बोला तेरा शॉट खत्म हो गया, जा उधर कहीं पर आसपास में बैठ. तो प्रोडक्शन took me into this one villager's house ना. तो विलेजर भाई साहब, this is a proper village वाला घर. Proper village. I'm talking about like your, I don't know, maybe in Pakistan the mountain ranges have those kind of villages where there's barely any technology. So एक छोटा सा ऐसा ओपन में मैट पे एक बुड्ढा सोया हुआ है. And when I came in, he sat up. And he's
यहाँ
like,
पर है पर मैंने नहीं देखे हुए.
I don't know. I'm assuming because from what I've seen in Nat Geo and stuff like that, like
Yeah.
these kind of villages are like the remote villages, all the way in the back, right? दिल्ली के कहीं कोने में. So I open the door and मैं देखता हूँ मेरे सामने in his house there's like cows and he's just sleeping right there, and you know the old man in a खटिया, I think in Hindi the word is खटिया.
चारपाई.
चारपाई, like out बाहर सोया. तो as soon as I came he sat down and उसने पूरी बहुत
Okay.
very hospitable महफिल सजाई. तो उसने ये बोला शीशा पियोगे? मैं बोलता हाँ मैं पीता हूँ. दुबई में तो बहुत शीशा पीता था मैं. हुक्का तो बहुत पीता था कलर का. बोला हाँ ठीक है. Now
But this is so different, Adnan. This is so strong.
अरे मुझे पता नहीं था. I didn't know this was so strong. तो first of all इसका pipe is like about 9 feet long. अगर आप इसको ऐसे घुमाओ ना, ये मैं बैठा हूँ और मैंने इसको ऐसा घुमाया, I smoke it and I pass it to you. it takes a turn on its own and comes to you. You don't need to get up. You know that? It's that long. So anyway,
Yeah,
that's a
I've
cool
seen it.
wow. मैंने कभी नहीं देखा था यार ये तो ठीक है ओके लाइट इट अप इधर आराम से लेना ना मैं शो का हीरो ईगो है बुड्ढा मेरे को बोल रहा है आराम से लेना मैं बोला माँ की आंख तेरी मैं आराम से नहीं लूंगा इसको
मैं अपने में शीशे की तरह पी लिया।
पूरा खींच लिया मैंने बोला बुड्ढे को मैं दिखाऊंगा और
मैं तो शराब पीता हूँ।
और 5 सेकंड बाद मेरे को नशा आ रहा है मेरा सर घूम रहा है मेरे को शॉट देना है और मैं बोला मेरे को शीशे के बाद नशा क्यों आ रहा है I said what is in this it's pure raw tobacco and I in Dubai am used to normal
raw
shisha
tobacco.
I freaked the hell out dude that's why my face is like ये क्या है
हाँ, you thought कि वही normal flavors होंगे हाँ?
I thought क्या well, it's shisha what's the worst it can be 3-4 puff लूंगा चलेगा and it looked cool I'll not lie to you it looked very cool 9 feet long pipe and all that oh I got really high I couldn't shoot after that for like 1 hour but yeah
Okay let's go towards the next segment which is मैं आपको कुछ statements दूंगी और आपको choose करना है ठीक है कि मैं आपको कुछ pictures दिखाऊंगी you have to choose between the two of them okay so first is this who will you date and who will you ditch
I don't know either of them shit
Nia Sharma and Surbhi
so on the left is Nia Sharma
yeah
in the blue is who
blue is Nia and that is Surbhi the other one
and who I'm supposed to date and ditch
yeah
I would date Nia
okay
yeah.
good one okay so who will you DM and who will you unfollow
Dheeraj is my main man I talk to him so I'll DM Dheeraj as a matter of fact कल ही बात कर रहा था उससे so he's pretty cool like that I love the guy okay. I think he's a star yeah
who you want to work next with
I'm sorry can you tell me their names I'm not very good with
Shivani and Helisha
शिवानी कौन सी है
black वाली
Helisha Shivani
okay
I don't know too much about the industry I'm terrible
okay better actor in terms of acting
I don't know who the guy on the left is the guy wearing this thing I know Arjit really well so I'll go with Arjit
okay
yeah
okay
I know him really well
who will you hook up and who will you marry
right पे कौन है
Sanaya and Jennifer
Sanaya no I will marry Sanaya and what's the other thing Jennifer के साथ दूसरा क्या करना था
who will you hook
marry?
up with
अच्छा oh I'll marry Sanaya and I'll hook up with Jennifer I've met
इन दोनों को तो पता है ना
हाँ I met Sanaya I think
मैं
she's an angel
हैरान हूँ कि you are like in this industry for so long now and you don't even know the names
if you bring out Bollywood I will not be able to do anything I'm really bad but I think Sanaya is an angel I think she's one of the best people I've met I don't know even if she remembers me or no but I've done a mock shoot with her and she was an amazing human being so yeah
she's a sweetheart okay
yeah.
फिर तो अगर आपको बॉलीवुड के बता दिया मैं आपको बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होने वाली जो लास्ट सेगमेंट है ठीक है but you can take help from your followers okay they can help you with this
sweet yeah hey guys
you have to guess the song you have to guess the song
okay let's do it I can do it
okay the first one is here
what is this guys
Salman Khan
Sanaya is
Katrina
married
Kaif
no guys hello help me
Sanaya
somebody Vibha I know Vibha can you tell me which song this is अब
ये तो
you to read
बहुत
comments
फेमस गाना है
हैंडसम लिखा है हैंडसम गाना अबे यार तुम लोग क्या लिख रहे हो look I know Suhail Bingu
yeah somebody has told you Nivedita
Nivedita
yeah Nivedita yeah people are telling you
nobody's telling me I don't know what you're reading
they are actually just chill
hello just chill oh just chill who wrote just chill oh do you know what happened I read just chill
they're just telling you that they are like
oh Rifat is helping me okay I got it so you know what happened I got annoyed I swear I'll not lie to you जी अभी मुझे मालूम क्या लगा मुझे लोग बोल रहे चिल करने को मैं बोला तुम लोग की माँ की आंख तुम लोग चिल करो अरे दिमाग
मुझे पता चल गया ना ये उसको बता रहे हैं इस गाय couldn't figure out कि यही नाम है
मुझे लग रहा ताना मारे साले just chill screw you all I'm chill no thank you guys sorry you guys are awesome
that
thank
was
you
fun right
that was stupid
fun.
Rifat no I've got a friend Rifat is messaging okay next one
okay next one रणवीर सिंह and Anushka Sharma.
ये बैंड बाजा बारात से होगी.
No, Ricky versus ladies versus Ricky Bear.
Okay guys, this is क्या गा रहे होंगे वो लोग? वो लास्ट वाला नहीं.
या
लास्ट में गाना ना.
हाँ लास्ट में गाना.
Shut up इमरान.
पहुंच गए.
Rohan is, oh my god. Rohan
पहुंच गए
is the name of the song.
No. You said not last
Watching.
वाला. Last
Watching.
गाना था तो मैंने कहा क्या?
Rohan,
हाँ.
I know you're listening. Rohan, my friend from Dubai, is listening. Rohan, you know all these songs. Stop being a wank and help me. Just help
And
me.
they're telling you.
Tagle.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I got it. Tagle. Rohan, what are you doing, man? Stupid. Okay, next.
They're actually
I've got
helping
friends
you.
now. I've got friends. Come on. Next one.
Okay.
What is this?
Oh my god, I haven't had so much fun doing this segment with anybody else. You
My
know?
friend Rohan, Arafat se Majboor. What? What's the name of the song?
वो पिछले का बता रहे हैं.
Niv, बहुत late आ रहे comments. Rifat, guys. Wait, I'll tell you. ये मुझे नहीं पता. किसी को नहीं पता. You know what everyone's telling me? All my friends in Dubai, everyone saying मुझे नहीं पता. My God, these are quite hard. My friend is saying from Dubai, these are quite hard.
ये बहुत famous movie है, ठीक है?
महबूबा?
अजनबी. Yeah, that's the
महबूबा
song.
यानी
महबूबा.
मतलब कौन सा? महबूबा.
No.
That one?
महबूबा.
Oh, no, you'll never get me with that one. Rifat, you're late.
Okay.
हाँ, okay.
The other next one.
हाँ.
ये तो आना चाहिए, तो बहुत famous है. और recent है.
मैं करता हूँ. Imran, Rohan and Rifat.
करीना
You guys are
कपूर,
very
अर्जुन कपूर.
ये वो वाली मूवी है.
की एंड का.
की एंड का. हाँ, okay, that movie. हाँ, High Heels.
Yeah, high
I'm
heels.
sorry, everyone's
Okay.
helping me. My friends suck. My brothers
The
suck.
last,
My brothers
the last song. The last song. Okay.
ये मालूम होगा. ये रुक जा. मुझे मालूम
हाँ.
होगा. शाहरुख I'm a fan of. ये
नाराज हो जाएंगे
I
शाहरुख
know.
से. ये मूवी भी नहीं आई तो.
ये उसका बॉस की वाइफ को घुमाने लेके जाता है.
Yes, boss.
ये तो गाना अच्छा लगता था. मैं रात बीत गाऊं अगर. Yes.
तुम
Oh my God, I got one. You guys suck. Oh, I got one.
Wow.
I'm so happy.
It was so much fun. मुझे
I'm
I
so
think
happy.
इतना मजा कभी नहीं आया एक्स्ट्रा सेगमेंट करने का. That like really, it was so much fun. You didn't know.
I love Shahrukh. Yes, boss. I love Shahrukh. Yes.
So,
I'm happy. Thank you. I'm very happy right now.
So, कैसा लगा? Did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed this segment because all of a sudden Rohan from Dubai, my brother got involved, Rifat got involved, Niv, all these people I know. Trina got it. Trina's also online. A lot of people are watching me apparently. I didn't know this. Trina Doris is there. Oh my God, yeah, Trina's there as well. So मेरे सारे दुबई के दोस्त लोग got involved. My brother got involved, and I was really happy. Rifat got involved. Yeah.
मुसीबत के वक्त काम आ गए दोस्त.
Yeah,
ऐसे
they did.
दोस्त अच्छे होते हैं.
And they're very good people. Rohan and Imran, my brother and his best friend, are full on into Bollywood. Like they're proper into Bollywood. I'm not, unfortunately. Yeah.
But that was so strange कि आपको famous songs भी नहीं पता. Oh my God. That
आपको पता
was
है
crazy.
मेरी khala who suffers from dementia, she's not all right in the head, my khala, but she always asks me this one question which she can never understand. She's like, you don't watch any Hindi movies, you can't speak Hindi, why are you in India? Like, if you want to be an actor, why didn't you go elsewhere? And I'm like, yeah, I can't really answer that. You know, but, yeah.
Okay, Adnan, before leaving, what will you say to all your Pakistani fans?
I want to thank you guys for supporting us. I'm so glad. आपको पता है, I'm so glad that certain shows and certain movies cross the whole political media bubble, you know, and they let people like me and you talk where I'm not really thinking about who you are and you're not thinking about who I am. We're just talking and we're sharing appreciation for something. So I'm so glad that people, like, emotion passes all of that, you know, like you guys liked our show and you didn't bother that it was from India, you know, and I love that about it. Like, how in India we've got shows that we respect in Pakistan. I love that. So I want to thank everyone for that.
Like, there are so many
And
fans of you over here, like crazy
thank you so
fans.
much. Thank you. That's so amazing. I'm glad.
And thank you so much, Adnan, for joining me, joining us, connecting to Pakistan. And thank you so much. And I hope you enjoyed.
I did. I did. I really did. Believe it or not, the last thing got me. I'm not in the best frame of mind. Past couple of days, I'm really tensed about a certain thing I'm dealing with. But yeah, this was fun. I got one. I was very happy. मैं शाहरुख का मैं बोला माँ की आँख तुम लोग मेरे को पता है ये मैंने देखा है. So I got really happy.
So at least you're not embarrassed in front of him.
Oh shit!
Kabhi
Even
ke
Sharad's
kabhi
on.
hai.
Everybody's on. All my friends are watching me. Shit, man. I would have like yeah. That's
Is
amazing.
that a good thing?
It's amazing, but thoda tension. See, when I'm talking to you, I've got like a very calm persona. You know, I'm talking to fans about.
Yeah.
But the minute people who know me from before, who like right now, this is the Adnan that you know, but the Adnan that they know is a very different Adnan. So I get very nervous around some
Exactly.
of these
तुमको
guys.
पता होता
Yeah.
है कब इंसान pretend कर रहा है, कब इंसान real हो रहा है, कब इंसान fake कर रहा है, what else?
They know every.
वो
My
पकड़
brother will
लेते हैं
message
friends
me.
ऐसी चीजें.
Arey, immediately my brother will message me, bro, your hair wasn't looking good. Bro, that smile you did, no, I didn't like.
And hello to
No.
all, Assalamu alaikum, and hello to all your friends and family members over here right now
Walaikum
watching
salam
you.
from their side. Thank you guys. And thank you for having me on board. So sweet of you. Yeah. Thank you.
And stay safe and stay at home as much as you can.
I will try.
Okay.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Allah Hafiz. Thank you.
Allah
Allah
Hafiz. Take
Hafiz.
care. Bye bye.
Bye.